asam yesi ewo Ghana asam kese besi ewo on the 3rd na in fact me nwanwa ebura adwene ne ntiase so kese pa na de ekeka kro no ani ya yenyan de amankrofo bi.
Yes. I have filed a motion. What file a motion? I filed a motion. To arrest the judgment? Not to arrest the judgment. I don't have that power. Okay. I have filed a motion to withdraw from the case. Withdrawal from the case, I have cited my reasons. Who is withdrawing from that case? Myself as a lawyer. As lawyer. Who withdraw from? I'm withdrawing my legal services. Case in the case. Yes. We are judge. Then yes. At any point. I know. I have a right. Reason here, then.
Yeah.
Now, in any case, said I can, and then what's now kind of, and a wild fee said, and pass man, I said it. Because who to you, no fee said the evidence before the check in it, and it's no we are the day. I was say, if you are by our clients, no card, where the hand. It is seven, besides, seven now, canon. Said a passer, a partners of clients, so say, I'm for to say, Jana. Sans and over said that should be the man said Sunday again. Oh, son of the MPP and this night, I Unya, or the one another of court check. They figure your walkie client, some about my friend say, or my own who say, there be yes, missing and
I was here for her, a official Atija TV or therefore, and a minimum SCA. No kwasama a woman. And I made that the actual one. Asam yesi ewo Ghana asam kese besi ewo on the 3rd. Na in fact me nwanwa ebura adwene ne ntiase so kese pa na de ekeka kro no ani ya yenyan de amankrofo bi. Me se subscribe e fama me. Na share e fama me ma comment. Me nua ya try o best, o possible best. Say obe like enso edi amame constituency mobilization the base for any abre t-shirts no yehia omua ewe bomoden na dome yen na yentumi enhihye ma bibia anso enkoso kama minua nokra me de manka na meboa de me ka de akwakosi nyina ne se ensem bi ekoso na ya na ye try se ye beji adwene na ye gi adwene na yaka bom na yato aso chama Wuntumi eto yatwi na ne lawyer wo gina mu edema no ye nyina ye nim lawyer apia kubi wo se wo resign e de free case no ya hodo ba miensa asesen ba ko de wo yi ne ho afiri ho eno sa ba ko no ho judgment na eba on the 3rd no 3rd na so na the base ye work no ntie de em se hurusie pa na beba me ko oji ho na me ne kwadi nkomo kakra na fe ye de video no akyerew na oji awuramu into detail e de amame se wonim se me no ansa na me frost ye nim nkomo na me nim se wonim de akra apom te sen boko me nim se wonim re nti ye bone taw kura wo be chia hwefo na fe ye de nkomo na hye so adaroma
yo bema chia me dikan chia for the
yeah.
No one TV na
no correct.
Come catch up so subscribe to the channel. No one me notification bell so that be already Osaka.
No correct.
Na dey dey come so do my dia wudi no. I Ghana nti.
Yeah.
And about this argument. So that be Ghana to pan to a pair.
No correct.
And so we pay as some of your project and go with the base home. And in Ghana one because the base Ghana and Ghana is the base.
Yeah.
And to open the BIA project the so
Akra medase papa na nukreni chama Wuntumi lawyer edi ne betima si ama afeye ye do say judgment ba no wase me na me kro no me adwuma no kra me na nya biu edi na ekoso
let's medase biu o say so utie ni sem kama all count no be so o che say and sarcastic baby and I say injustice here the baby. Na ahona menene enya
na ya bede ni na ya adwene.
The judgment in Baya, I don't know why which way the ignorance are coming. Because as a lawyer there, as who say if it says you actually confirm crime until proven guilty no. Untimi nka ho hwe, untimi nya hwe. Say be tumi so be ko die wu pa so say you're moving guilty, and I said, "Baby, my judge can't say ya." And since you know, judgment be abba. Okay, can't one set, and our marriage as we can't set. And I depends on and some you know they're too serious and so news or whatever.
Yeah.
So on the third, on the judgment, I don't know why I said when you say who bother in the sight of the people now open sympathy no. Say and they say a person and you to be too much. That's what I say. Yeah, I touch you to obey you. I don't get it. And the besides say because I will say I will rate night the weekend. They say oh dear, and then oh can't have what I know.
Nana, my video no mara. Mema refresh the toe aba. Na fe ya be wura mu de ano baby si wo mu ye ba mu pa. Na ensam na lawyer ne keka ye no me hunu se wono wa hu sa de na bu abo no. Because senka wonim se wo di nkunim a nka won keka de wo keka no. Because who was somebody say per the evidence a good judge in any minute ye. Nanso o hwe de ekeka kro no a enya de a judgment ne de dan anim no document e won anim evidence na no obegina so na say who prejudicial say hwan no na say who what the kind of judgment na background say na judge ne de beba na ye hwe video no mra taw ye hwe no mra taw.
So we are aware of letter way.
You know, me and me throw letter no.
Okay.
From Attorney General in line with the law.
Okay. In all request to Attorney General.
Yes.
We requested for a drop of the charges. No quiet plea bargain. We need to drop the charges and answer them.
The attorney said the law gives you the platform to go into negotiations. It is through the negotiation and you be caught into terms.
Yes.
And the terms of the negotiation would be consideration of one of these. And for now, and design terms of the negotiation. And why are we in a hurry to prescribe one of them for us when we have not indicated the preference?
Okay. In the request to the age, you know, why
you are not required.
You are not required.
You are not required.
That's fine.
You just initiate.
That's fine. Most starting negotiations now, then it will lead to the
terms, and the end deliverable will be the end product.
Yes. Are you by this saying, sir? Said the because me kaisa plea bargaining act way, you know, many Attorney General then in common. The understanding I got, they say this act, is to expand on the provisions in the Court Act Section 35, which provision also says when the agreement is made between and I say between the accused person and the Attorney General, that agreement will be sent
between the accused person and the prosecutor, because it may well be that
the prosecutor
may not be attended.
That's fine. And the prosecutor, what is our agreement? Court.
Yes.
When the court adopts that agreement,
that becomes the decision of
the court. But that would also mean, you would be convicted.
No, if the decision of if the negotiated position is a withdrawal of the charges, then where is the conviction?
Okay. When the charges are withdrawn, then there can be no conviction.
There can be no conviction.
Okay.
We need to have understanding of some of these things, because speculation and worrying. And the criminal justice system, we are careful. The way we encourage people to, propagate with some provisions of the law. And you fail you, and then appear could be external hands about into a criminal jurisprudence and your crowd. In fact, external hands grabbed by a constitutional law monocrano. A higher basic no.
One time a person will clarify on
let's go back on plea bargain.
So this plea bargain, in relation to which case? You said the state is in court with Wuntumi on 2 cases. In relation with
this is in relation with Republic versus Wuntumi
and two others on Exim Bank.
Anyway. Okay. Now, Obi, and come picture say Ubeba court no abehwe proceedings na ekoso.
Sure.
In those cases, I can share with you the record of proceedings in the cases. But Krofobiti Abonti, can some very tomorrow, but can we honestly convict on the records?
Unfortunately, the report is what is before the judge.
Yes.
And the judge will not be minded.
I always cry that I pray that the court is a court.
Yeah.
That is my prayer. The only prayer that I do, they say, let us see a court making a pronouncement based on evidence.
Yeah. The evidence before the court. And not what is outside
the court. And not at the whims of somebody who is outside the court. Now,
for Samra Boy, the end of the year, we are all waiting for July 3rd. Our court decision. Yes.
I have filed a motion.
What file a motion?
I filed a motion
to arrest the judgment?
Not to arrest the judgment. I don't have that power.
Okay.
I have filed a motion to withdraw from the case. Withdrawal from the case. No, I have cited my reasons.
Who is withdrawing from that case?
Myself as a lawyer.
Who withdraw from?
I'm withdrawing my legal services.
Case. In the case.
Yes.
We are judge. Then
yes. At any point.
I know.
I have a right.
Reason here then.
My reasons are in the affidavit. And we will take that motion on Monday, so I will not discuss it. But I have cried in the affidavit that as a lawyer, what I feel doing a case like that. Now, I know the prayer, no, and if cry, no, then, for all of us as persons in the legal fraternity, say near pay me,
Is it, sir, you are.
Then what do you show?
No, withdraw CCR because of what you think would happen on July 3rd.
No, not what you think will happen. Anything, because I pray that the court should be a court. Now, your decision, then I will come and I'll comment on the decision. But before then, I'll sound this warning. Someone may have any penny because if any penny more, it stays with us, and it will also we will be confronted with it in course of our time. And you'll be for injustice to anybody is injustice to you.
To everyone, I agree. But lawyer, why would you do a case? You go through all the initial stages and go through trial. Judge, I'm a data or then a judgment. Now I withdraw. I file application to withdraw.
My lawyer, I check.
Yes.
My proceedings are okay. And it said me who sent to be a free bontia. I smell it. And if you so cases near my days of proceedings. Was it name you was notwithstanding?
I was over.
Or chap adding.
Okay.
And no one case here in Ghana.
That's a summer boy case. They said somebody was shepherding the case. Giddy.
Just a giddy. I said, wouldn't you make me? So, what's that? And then me another case was a cry. We case no 2 o'clock court.
Really?
I'm telling you.
That's what the judge
was doing. We are going to talk about this now. Bar Association. I'm going to petition the Bar Association also. Say, Bar Association, can we sit and let this go on in Ghana within our jurisprudence? And do we want to turn our courts into persons, institutions?
Yeah, but the Bar Association may not have jurisdiction over the judge.
No, but indeed, Bar Association can speak about it.
Okay,
me and Mika say about it. Me and Mika say, I'm speaking my mind. And I want whoever wants evidence to confront me, and I'll show him the evidence.
But if that was the conduct of the judge, I won't petition Chief Justice, Mom.
Well, one option.
Okay.
The other option is that I'm withdrawing and stating the reasons why I'm withdrawing.
Why you are withdrawing?
I'm going before the same judge to state my reasons of resigning before her.
From the case.
Before
judge.
Yes.
Even before the judgment,
yes.
Who withdraw from the case.
State me reasons of withdrawing before her.
And your client is aware self person will withdraw.
Yes, but my country.
And none the reaction here.
And I'm home. Maybe one person. I don't like it. say you be boni na meti ho.
In this case, why any boni?
Okay. Generally.
Okay.
Obi miso so enam sanity. We am boni a we dey me obi. Se minya unya obi ana minya kwai. Because I think that is a way to also teach you to learn. And to be boni be careful because it will be before you. But I'm withdrawing. I'm going to state my reasons for withdrawing.
In court?
Yes, in court.
Monday I'll be there. Monday. No, Monday I'll be there.
Yes.
But on the plea bargain request, how they come age, you know, and no dear, you would be on.
Yes, we will be on.
You do that
we'll be on, yes.
And
indeed, there's another case, someone bueno criminal court.
Yeah, criminal court.
I'm still in it.
And your womb still.
I'm still in it.
And with exam bank.
Okay. Cross examination.
No, I'll come.
You see, no, but on Monday, one thing though,
yes,
Chief Justice, most of these cases, telecast it.
Political, very political cases.
No, political, high profile cases.
High profile, okay.
Can telecast it? But
you should have made call way during the trial. I don't know what trial not ending.
No, me experience and me say, and to me say better be so. And Atubia, but we need to correct ourselves. Media, if it will take me to even hand over my license on the basis of injustice, I will so do.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Bobby, trust me. Me nim trocha. And into say who see me and me sorry say me can I don't decorate my language when you see. I feel it. But I feel it.
But even on the Exim Bank case, yes, states are filing the charges against your client. Why don't you go through the trial?
Exim Bank?
Yes.
Well, I want to explore this possibility. Now, me say possibility will hold for settlement a win-win.
Okay.
You see, the worst form of settlement is better than the best form of judgment, because after the judgment, one is victorious, one is vanquished, and relationships are broken and all that. Now, in most cases, I want to be just to both parties, to all. And however you do your work to bring justice to both parties, I think you will have achieved settlement. And into the makers, because we have previous charges now evaluate evidence near there. We could have contested this, but me feel let's put our heads together and solve a problem. Because from a break, I say corruption, anti-corruption agencies are not happy with plea bargaining. Chairman Wuntumi is not charged with any element of corruption. Now, how could
in all the charges?
Anything that is affecting him. And to corruption, they don't understand.
Yeah, but it may not be corruption, but if it's fraud, if it's money laundering, those are also serious.
Yes, but they are different charges.
I get you.
And
but they are not any better than corruption.
Yes, they are not any better. But if you want to sacrifice somebody, or if you want to hang somebody, give him the correct name and hang him.
I get you.
Now, who say corruption, anti-corruption, because yes. What is corruption in this one? Obi kwaji loan so the kwakwe adwuma. Issues ne wo mu no, application ne wo mu no, se document bi wo mu na wo suspect se document no fraudulently acquired. What is corruption about that? In any case, allegation for somebody to prove it. Where you as an institution who procure
consultant for the project.
Yes.
Consultant has a duty. It's a duty to be a consultant. So, a follow short of expectation. Me and Beji loan. Why would you saddle me?
Yes, but
and again, don't forget that part of the loan is paying the consultant.
Sure.
But again, we are going to plea.
But that's why some people think, and even some people in your party think, you should have contested this. I mean, go through the trial.
You must be in it to know it. You must feel it to understand it. Chairman Wuntumi, we hear the peace for his life. He has a family also. He is a Ghanaian. And we hear na circumstances. In fact, circumstances of the case determine the actions. And the circumstances.
Is it the circumstances tells you as a lawyer having someone disclosures here?
No, disclosures.
But it based on what evidence the officer state serious evidence BMI will take the decision to go for.
I did not say it is because we are afraid of the evidence of the state. No. I just said, this is my advice to my client. Say, under the circumstances, and one big thing we need to also consider the hand of state power in criminal proceedings. And
always very powerful.
And sometimes we say, to avoid sumbono, why can't we settle before we do sumboso? So that although I have the strength to also reply you, let's settle it before we get there. I mean, this is what we are seeking to do.
But again, I mean, in the settlement, your aim, through the settlement, make sure drop charges, say state say on drop charges. The best they can do, they say punishment. What would you do?
You are trying to lead me into temptation.
Oh no.
But forgive those who trespass.
They said they guys are on drop charges.
No, we haven't got it.
The best they can do is to drop punishment.
Punishment follows conviction.
Sure.
Now you new conviction. You drop punishment.
Yeah, but say under plea bargain, Under plea bargain, what it means is that you will not go through trial again.
Yes, but where plea bargaining results in the dropping of the charges.
Yes.
Where is punishment?
That's the point. But not because one option. The state may not agree to that option.
No, it depends. In all cases, as you know, the answer to every question by a lawyer is it depends.
Very well. My main kind message is kakra abana yenya no na fe yen twaso ekosi.
Akra twasoma me pa.
Yo, me da say. Every say o video no o kan say bi. Say nipa no accepting by now project say there ABC.
Yeah.
Now, in any case, said our can and then what's now the can and a while fee said and pass one I said it. Because to you, no fee said the evidence before the check and it's no we had it. I will say if you are by our clients no card when the hand. It is maybe such a now who can say a bus a balance of clients say I'm frankly say Jana. Sansa no because that's what the man said Sunday again. Oh, son of the MPP and this united. Unya omudi bwane na de okoko tpe na figure omo kika nsema abama afere say o man who say there be di asimesi enye dem mo asimesi na wo ma Ghana fo ma bi ye wo omo abudi dafo Ghana fo ma bi ye say ye wo bi ma bi mu say twa ye di galam say sense so di de ade de wo mu say already wo em futu ana say onu de ohun kofo mo.
That's it.
Wo mo di di pa na ye be chi na tu no ade de wo fi say so o man sympathize with the person. It was yes, Hannah. No one that's all your lawyer. Lawyer, dear. What is what could be back when I want to suffer about the Kawas? More. And then I said, but the opposite order the prayer, human. That's what I want to make. What is left me say? My judgment is very not judgment is bad, not the evidence before the court now with the coin. Say a change of a man. Yeah, yes, you are so it's yes. You know who said? And some now can kind of judgment on Monday, and in the theatre. I said, I won't say, it's a going to be bad. What to be just as lawyer wait, and as a judge wait. But some of them, pre-judgment how you need it.
Yeah.
And then to say, okay, maybe they are smelling danger, and as a home say, as a man,
oh, Nana Wuti. a serious country be any ho be match ama Wuntumi afa ne ho adi o. A serious country be any ho. Na da bi o, ade na chama Wuntumi aye Exim Bank sika na okoje ye no. Enti wa nkoje ana. Aburo na wo ye so odi kodua na wahi. Sa forest na wo bowura mu no na waka kire be se na akwaye se obi abo obi tuo na ye ya awe ne antimi amfa video camera anto so na bia wo de wo evidence akwose enye no kore na obi timamu na bi sa na watawura mu wono de camera ye den eto so a obi anim na wo judge wo defend wo bra wo nipa na be ka tro se me na be kun no na so wo defend no nti judge no so timi nya evidence bia later wo de be kire mo se based on way eye hwan ni na me so oni ai say me no ye de boni di wo bia onye boni a man wo ye hypocrite papa wo ye hypocrite adwuma wo ye ne years no we na nanim guase ba nanim guase pa e ba na no nie na to aso ma me
on say wodwino oman ho boni a sa na e de eba
yeah
because we judge bia obedi din wadi cases obedi din but the moment a obedwino oman ho boni sa na e de ebeto because your mind ba pa no ko hu ne ekoya as a lawyer there my judge will say what is it oduma na wo ye you defend it that's fine but after you put on your defense in it there you wait professional lawyer who himself ade na wo ye no enye that is why if you start wa untimi nkan wasem in any case for complaint there what trading na there what trading na so dey kwa why do you come for an interview.
Look at this. Public sympathy. Public sympathy. And open.
Oh. Wuntumi him say Ghana from now. What is Ghana Libya?
Dabi. Or the gold the continent TV so. Yeah, or the gold the continent TV so. Why not? What is that?
You see, so these are the things and you guys are money town there, yes, so. It is all public sympathy. The public sympathy will be the same. Sasike Uti. Nanka will say, Confanochi, regional chairman, Confanochi assay, Confanochi depends, and to a member Nanka Moko, yes, I'm a man from Confanochi, with all due respect, for the second book, Sekaubi, Sanukana. Yeah, Mr. Becca said, oh, let's sympathize with him because of this kind of yard.
Yeah.
Why say the mansion that also young governor who see this one? I didn't know what you that's on the fan and the corner will have party office for which base before a fancy was a party office. But I didn't fire while they are more people person. But the fat Ghana, I will say interrogating. Let me Piazzi Cano, Udia Cobiano, I will say a retrieve, yes, actually. A hard time, I was a time man starting into lawyer. No, we are sending it on Jai in Yawayan. Now, M1 on Jai Yawayan, M1.
Hey, look correct. Hey, look correct. It is our hair, yeah. I busan say, judgment, why ye be we ama, and yes, I'm Mugusu dim common. Why ye be heavy? Ama wa hunu say judgment bada say afei na wo beka say sa judgment na ba no hu case na me madia no me twa me ho afiri ho wa ntwe ne ho na ntwe ne ho kina wo beginem ani gwase na ba na wo beginam na chama Wuntumi cases e dia bonu nyina na emudia hi na wo kra wo tie kire wonim say enya no kore emudia hi na enya no kore no kore ni asam ne de am say de yaka ahwefo nso ate ase nti wo de yebone tofa na fo ano sima me na ye nyina ye hwede ebesi akire
yo me da say de beti me de aka ne say o man no chobata bia obo bra bia be say chima
yeah
ebeyi because we said that you be just on where e dey
amom
it is so be your man keni wo ba be minister be everything here also parent your mind so we take a japade be bo mind and it is a father so about mind book no na mo japade na so we ja o emma no aye o mind no the every an say and you so japade na wo sika bi aye o mind sika e dey dem ma say je na fa ye e dem ma fa bo mind that's also for o mind na pro no abra so we dey am wa se a Yes, someone who probably a corona, is some man in the beginning. Lawyer, the foot of the man, we what you want to see, that's fine. But what do you come with your mobile career? Live it and first with the rest and my judgment. Don't find the judge and the judgment and the emblem or the baby was it. And it's I didn't say they want to kill you honorable. Yeah. It is on the bad area you can appeal it. So stop the public sympathy now. Unya. The public sympathy now okay because people are dying at the hospitals. You could have used this money to help this kind of children. Yet, currently, or no kind of interest. And it's a message. And it's that say, you want the right to appeal. You are a judge and you are a lawyer and you know better. And it's public sympathy. Who never show be our own and not. Yes, we are having a judge Wuntumi. A pass getting too much also a pass of Jana, a whole range of it. It is a yellow question for the case and why yes, you're coming to bed. Aqua said that I said, what you enjoy Emma judging, don't find the president. You will be a society to what it is. Nana Yamishrao, Yana Unibre, Nanso, Unya bread, my Yamishrao, Papa, time, best I aboaso you. Oji, ena ya no akodi enkomono nukreni de ye ka ade ababe wiemu enyina ne se baabi ade na duru no ayeden nanso me amete hayi minim pa se chama Wuntumi nsama ade abo no nyina ye nokre na mmom menya judge ena me mete hayi no evidence a wo judge nanim no ene wo de begina so abu aten. It is a we a lawyer. No when the asama ma verdict beba. Now so we twen ho akire say we no dede na we ya no public ni mu no emfa hwe ma decision no nsesa. Si e beja Wuntumi a ye beja no. Ye nya no no obekọ jail be 25 years nso obekọ. Enti ano de ye nyina ye nte ase. Na subscribe to the channel na share Ghana ntini ye ni abre. Ne ye bekọ so the Ghana stories abrewo. Esa kuti say ebre no en sesaye baba e wo man ni mu a Kennedy ohina Japan there we are for him and he is an independent candidate or no one kasa as a person no oni MPP oni NDC he is for the Ghana first agenda I hear the base movement no nana subscribe to the channel na share efamame number na that so free ti share dodo a betim di aboa the base family no fadome ye nyame hyirawo.